Ready to effortlessly conquer those tricky statistics problems? Meet ShinStats, the app you didn't realize you needed until now. Picture having a personal statistics wizard in your pocket, leading you step by step through the toughest questions. Hey Nixers! Ready to turn study hours into a crystal ball for academic success? Simple linear regression is our key. Discover the magic of predicting test scores based on your study time. Let's decode the study success equation together. Begin by launching the app. Head to the menu bar and click on it. And here's a quick pro tip. To make things even easier, use the search bar. Just type linear and voila! It will lead you straight to the calculator. All right, Nixers. Got a question for you. Are you ready to determine the regression equation that corresponds to this dataset and predict the test score given 5 hours of study time? Let's proceed to the calculator to find out. On the calculator's landing page, we enter the values for hours of study in the X section, since this is our independent variable. Then, we input the values for test scores in the Y section. Next, since we are to predict the value of Y, we click the corresponding button and input the value of 5 as the given value of X. Remember, accuracy is the key. The app's magic works best with precise data. Now, with everything set, we're ready to unleash the statistical wizardry to determine the regression equation and predict the value of Y. Click Calculate and watch an ad in exchange for the step-by-step solution. All right, Nixers, let's delve into the step-by-step solution. We'll walk through each phase, providing a sneak peek into what the calculator churns out. The first step is to determine the sum of all data in X and the sum of all data in Y as shown. Next, we take the sum of the products between each pair of X and Y values. This is followed by taking the sum of the squares of X values and taking the sum of the squares of Y values. We are now ready to calculate the intercept b sub 0 and the slope b sub 1 of the regression equation. For the interpretation of the intercept value, this means that even if a student did not study which corresponds to a study time of X equals 0, that student's score is expected to be 61.0714. Now, this may not have any practical interpretation since we would expect some minimal amount of study time to yield a test score. For the interpretation of the slope, this means that an increase of 1 hour of a student's study time increases his/her test score by 4.9524. As a result, the regression equation is 61.07, 14 plus 4.9524x. Using this regression equation, and given a study time of X equals 5 hours, the predicted value of the test score is 85.83 as shown. Time for round 2. Now let's play with imagination for a moment. What if the goal is a passing grade of 75? How many hours would a risk taker need to study? Of course, aiming for the bare minimum isn't recommended, but it's intriguing to explore the possibilities. Drop your answer in the comments. Your input is the key to knowing if we're making a real impact. Let us hear your thoughts. Your feedback matters. Did those results light up a spark of curiosity in your mind? Show some love with a double tap or hit that like button. If you're itching for more data-driven excitement, go ahead and download the app from the Google Play Store. A heartfelt thanks for sticking with us till the end of the video. See you on the next one. Follow for more.